So I'm gonna press around it. Actually, I'm gonna use this side. See if there's anything else left in there I need to get out. What's good, y'all? So, yeah, it's finally ready. So I'm gonna be using my Essential Skincare Toolkit to help me out with this, because I actually have a pimple popper in my kit. So if you guys haven't already ordered your Essential Skincare Toolkit, make sure you order your Essential Skincare Toolkit, because it comes with all the tools you'll need dealing with pretty much any kind of acne problem that you might be facing. Ingrown hairs, blackheads, whiteheads, and even pimples. Now, ideally, you don't want to pop pimples. Like, you want to pop a pimple as being like the last resort. Now, I'm popping this one because I had another one that I didn't touch that left a scar. So I'm gonna pop this because I just want it to be gone, but you know. So ideally you don't wanna pop the pimples if you don't have to, but if you absolutely must pop your pimple, it is key to actually use the correct tools instead of using your nails, and you can see how dirty my nails are, to actually pop the pimples. Because when you actually use your nails in your hands, majority of the time your hands are dirty. Then when you touch the pimple, you know, you pop it, it comes out, the skin is open, you get the bacteria back in there, and it causes a scarring and all that whatnot. So it's always good to have tools to actually help you out with this. Now I'm actually gonna be cleaning my tools. Anytime you use your Essential Skincare Toolkit, make sure you are cleaning your tools. So I like to use alcohol. So I just take some alcohol, Q-tip, get the tip wet, hit the inside like this, and also hit the back side. You want to clean the area you're going to be popping, so that way it's disinfected. Dry, dry. Now, the good part, the part you all been waiting for. So in order to use this pimple popper, this is not the side that you would actually drag on the skin. On the opposite side of this pimple popper, this is actually the side that you would actually use to drag, you know, if you see blackheads, whiteheads you're trying to actually get. But for pimples, use this pimple popper, you just basically place it over the top of the pimple, and you want the white part where all the, you know, the pus and stuff is sitting to come out of the top, out of the center. And what I like to do is just basically take this and you just press down, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Pop, remove, and you can see I popped and I got all the stuff out that I needed to get. So now it's time to clean, so I want to make sure I got everything out. So I'm gonna press around it. Actually, I'm gonna use this side. See if there's anything else left in there I need to get out. No. Take your Q-tip with alcohol and you wipe over the top to make sure it's been disinfected and cleaned out, and that is it. Now, to clean your tool, basically take the opposite side, the clean side of your Q-tip. Take that and you pretty much clean your tool like so. If you haven't already, make sure you get your Essential Skincare Toolkit, because your Essential Skincare Toolkit actually comes with the pimple popper you will probably need at some point in your life. Again, it comes with the needle point tweezers that I talked about a while ago. There's actually a very sharp point pimple popper that you'll rarely have to use. I'll make a video when it comes time to, but you'll rarely have to use this in. There's actually the pimple popper that I showed you as well. And it's also the blackhead tweezers, which are life-saving when it comes to ingrown hairs. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys haven't already checked out my Essential Skincare Toolkit, this is gonna keep you pretty much good. But again, Essential Skincare Toolkit at mitchskincare.com. But until the next skincare tip video, I will see you then.